You know, a judge has moved to hold St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner and one of her assistant prosecutors in, quote, indirect criminal contempt. Yesterday marked the second contempt hearing for Gardner and her staff this week after they failed to show up for two separate trials. Alex Fees is here with us in studio with what it all means. Alex?
Sydney, good morning. The family of the suspect in this latest case says they've been waiting too long to try and prove his innocence. Judge Michael Noble says he found enough evidence of, quote, disdain and disrespect for the judicial process by Kim Gardner's office to move forward. The case in question focuses on a 2020 shooting where an 11-year-old girl was injured by a stray bullet. Assistant Circuit Attorney Chris Desolitz did not appear for trial April 10th, having a fellow prosecutor tell the judge he was dealing with a knee injury. The judge then scheduled a status hearing for Monday, and Desolitz was a no-show for that hearing as well. In court yesterday, Desolitz told the judge he was in another courtroom for another matter, and by the time he made it to Noble's courtroom Monday, the door was already locked. The suspect's mother says they've been waiting roughly 3 years to have their day in court. The judge addressed the assistant circuit attorney's caseload and Gardner's management.
Mr. Desolitz has approximately 104 felony cases. Any prudent practitioner would expect such a caseload to create countless irreconcilable conflicts. It does not appear she has made any reasonable efforts to prevent the resulting chaos.
Even if they go to trial, there's not a jury in St. Louis that's going to convict Kim Gardner of anything. And there's not a judge who's going to sentence her, at least not to jail. So I think it's all a show.
Gardner now has until May 30th to prepare her defense, and a special prosecutor will be appointed to oversee the contempt hearing. Coming up at the top of the hour, we'll hear what the suspect's mother in this case had to say about the 3 years her son has been waiting for his day in court. Now this morning, we're getting reaction from Kim Gardner's supporters. Our Elise Schoenig has more from those who say they elected Gardner.
Well, Alex, supporters of Kim Gardner are making it known that this is their prosecutor.
Hands off Kim Gardner. Hands off Kim Gardner.
You can hear it right there. Many of her supporters reacted to Judge Michael Noble's move to hold her in indirect criminal contempt of court. Some supporters stood outside Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey's office yesterday. They say they voted for her and don't want anyone messing with that decision, also adding that all of this is a political move.
For 3 years, this country and the world was paralyzed by COVID-19. There is no courthouse anywhere in this country that doesn't have a backlog of cases that they're trying to clear up.
And this weekend, Kim Gardner will hold another town hall Saturday at Central Baptist Church to address her supporters. And then next week, Gardner supporters will take a social justice caravan to Jefferson City to send their message to the Missouri Capitol.